Hello everyone, this is BOXPUT, and today we're introducing the newly upgraded Q11 Android TV box. The key difference between the old and new versions is the Android 14 logo on the upper left corner of the new box, making it instantly recognizable as the upgraded model. The biggest change this time is that its system has been upgraded directly from Android 11 to Android 14. The exterior design retains the original sleek black square shape, still minimalist and timeless. The core configuration remains the familiar, highly stable setup, S905X4 chip, 4GB RAM plus 32GB storage, Bluetooth 4.2 remote, dual-band Wi-Fi, 1000M Ethernet port, supports up to 8K video decoding. While the Android 14 upgrade keeps the TV home screen unchanged, the settings interface has been reorganized for clearer categorization. Detailed information can be found under About in Settings.